Jai Srimannarayana, 37th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vrishninam Vasudevosmi Pandavanam Dhananjayah Muninam api Aham Vyasaha Kavinam Vusana Kavihi Om. When you hear the names Vasudeva, Balarama, Arjuna, Vyasa, Sukracharya, Sri Krishna Paramatma must come into your thoughts. You should realize all these characters of these entities are the higher level representation of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that all the characters like Vasudeva, Arjuna, Vyasa, Balarama, Sukracharya are the higher level representations of your higher amount of spark. That is why, Krishna, I shall definitely remember only you when I hear these names. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 147th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi tied Sri Krishna Even Brahma and other devatas also cannot get that great amount of anugraham of Bhagavan what Yasoda Devi got. Nayam sukhapo Bhagavan dehinam gopika sutaha jnaninancha atmabhutanam yadha bhakti matam iha. జ్ఞానులచే మౌనులచే దానులచే యోగ సంవిధానులచే తంబూని నిబద్ధుండగునే శ్రీనాథుడు భక్తియుతుల చేతన్ పోలెన్. Even such great enlightened people, yogis, jnanis, they also cannot attain Paramatma that easily. But such great Paramatma will be easily tied by devotion and love. Anyway, after Yasoda Devi tied Krishna, she went inside to take care of all other works. Now Krishna, for whatever the reason that he got tied to fulfill that work, he is now going ahead. There are 2 trees. Those trees are Yamala Arjuna. Those trees, Pura Narada Sapena Vrikshatam Prapitau Madat Nalakubara Manigrivau Itikhyatau Sriyanvitau. Those 2 trees, in the previous life, they were the sons of Kubera. Their names Nalakubara, Manigriva. They used to do seva to Paramasiva. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra continuing. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 37th sloka. Vrishninam vasudevosmi Pandavanam dhananjayaha Muninamapi aham vyasaha Kavinam vushana kavihi. Vrishninam vasudevosmi Pandavanam dhananjayaha Muninamapi aham vyasaha Kavinam vushana kavihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.